This one, no, this is how they conduct yung campaign na dito in the streets. It's very good na concept na campaign, no? So they are standing in the corner. So yung mga, as I've said, no, yung Taiwan, yung I think their leader is a female. So maganda na itong type of campaign, no? It's a political campaign in the street. Malinis siya, and they am commenting on their type of political campaign. Maganda din itong gayahin ng ganito, no? You stand in the corner. No, we're tourists. We're just taking how they campaign here. You speak English? Little, okay. Team Taiwan. So we're just passing here. This here. Red. Go.
Yes, it's my birthday. Yes, my
Breakfast? Okay. So again, this is their, you know, they Assure Hotel. Ikaw, anong gusto mo?
KFC.
Oh, kung bukas. Check mo. Okay. So they have their, ito yung sabi ko na we're at the KFC right now taking breakfast, and that is their way of campaigning. You know, nakita mo sa kanto. Maganda ding concept, no? I mentioned the top 2 positions are women. The women are taking more important role dito sa Taiwan. Okay. We're having breakfast. What's this? Here? Dito kami kakain for breakfast. Ikaw napili sa akin? So yan. So puro pindot-pindot na lang. Tapos yung payment is card na lang, you know. Breakfast, it's Chinese pala. No, so you have to take the order, then take the order.
What do you want? What's
The
this?
payment is here. Okay. This one. Ang ganda dito is yung diretso ng order, no? The payment. Ikaw pili. Sige. Okay. Dito ako lang curious ako na amused ako on how they conduct their campaign. Yan ah, balik tayo. Female dominated yung ano na yan, no? Ang ganda ng ganyan na type of campaign, no? Very nice, no? Malinis din kaysa maglagay-lagay ng mga they're waving on motorists. Okay, very nice.